In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout on Squarespace. To get started, you want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is where you manage everything concerning your website, from design elements to sales settings. When you're there, locate and click on the Settings option. This will open a menu that includes a variety of customization options. For the next step, you'll select the Selling option. This is crucial because it takes you directly to the section where you can manage your e-commerce settings, ensuring your website is ready to handle transactions smoothly. Once you're in the Selling section, it's time to focus on the checkout settings. Click on Checkout to begin configuring how your checkout process should work. You'll see different aspects you can adjust, allowing you to tailor the checkout experience to best suit your needs and those of your customers. Next, click on Additional Fields. This step is important as it allows you to decide what extra information you want to gather from your customers during the checkout process. It's a chance to customize your form to include necessary fields like shipping notes or gift message options. Now, to make further customizations, click on Enable Custom Checkout Form. This feature gives you the flexibility to create a form that matches your exact requirements. You're not just limited to standard fields. Think about what information might be helpful for your business or your customer's experience. After enabling this feature, click on Edit Custom Form. Here you can make your checkout form truly yours. Whether it's adding a special instruction field or including a welcome message, this step is where your creativity and business needs come together. Next, you need to type in a form name. This helps you organize your forms and keep track of which one serves which purpose, especially if you plan on running multiple forms. After naming your form, click on ADD Form field. This option allows you to include specific data fields, anything from text boxes to drop-down menus. Think about what information you require from your customers and add those fields accordingly. Once you've made all necessary additions, click Save. This action ensures that all the customizations you just made are not lost. Make sure everything looks good and double-check for any typos or mistakes that might have slipped through. Finally, click Save again. This additional save confirms and finalizes your settings, effectively setting up your custom checkout page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a custom checkout form on Squarespace. These customizations not only streamline the checkout process for your customers, but also help you collect all the relevant information you need to run your business effectively. Thanks for following along, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.